Do you know industries in India are not evenly distributed? They are concentrated in certain areas called industrial regions. Industries are concentrated in certain areas called industrial regions. These regions contain many different industries and drive economic activity in those areas. Mumbai-Pune region has many industries. It includes textile and automobile industries, making it an important center for both fabric production and car manufacturing in India. Hooghly region is famous for jute industry. Jute mills operate here and turn jute plants into products like sacks, ropes, and mats. Bangalore region has IT and engineering industries. It is known as the Silicon Valley of India due to its many technology companies and innovation centers. Gujarat is known for petrochemical industries. Several processing plants in this region refine petroleum and produce chemicals used in different sectors. Chota Nagpur region is rich in minerals. It has iron and steel industries, which use the local mineral resources to produce a variety of metal products. Visakhapatnam region has shipbuilding industries. Large shipyards here construct and repair different types of ships for cargo and defense. Delhi region has automobile and electronics industries. Many factories in this region assemble cars and electronic devices, serving markets across India. These regions develop due to resources and transport. Industries grow where raw materials, water, and reliable transportation like railways and highways are available. Industrial regions support economic development. They provide jobs and growth to their local communities and help the country develop. Quick revision. Key industrial regions to remember are Mumbai, Pune, Hooghly, Chota Nagpur, and Gujarat. Question 1. What is an industrial region? An area where many industries are concentrated. Question 2. Which region is rich in minerals? Chota Nagpur Plateau region. Next, we will learn about iron and steel industry.